If you are looking for a modern luxury home with mountain views in a secured and peaceful village, this might be the one. Hi, I'm Ryan Angeles of Triar Property Marketing. Join us in another house tour. So we are here outside the house, and number one na magsa-stand out is yung perfect blend ng materials like the concrete, wood, and glass. So very high yung structure ng bahay with an extended roof that gives off commanding presence on the street. Industrial yung look niya, but because of the surrounding greeneries, nasa-soften somehow yung parang structure niya. And ang pinaka-main feature na maganda doon sa house is the full glass facade na makikita natin because it highlights the architectural design inside the house. Tara, pasok tayo. Pagpasok mo ng gate, you will be welcomed by a very spacious carport kasi kaya niya ng 3 cars. So 1, 2, 3. And mapapansin mo rin from this view na automatic yung gate niya. And makikita mo on both sides of the house, meron tayong garden. Yan. Pero isa pa sa pinaka mapapansin mo is of course yung pintuan. Like, sobrang laki ng pintuan niya, may custom detailing siya na talaga nagme-make siya ng statement. Pero at the same time, pag open mo ng door, para din niya sinasabi na, welcome, tuloy kayo sa bahay ko. So pagpasok mo ng house, very abundant yung natural light niya. Kasi nga dahil dun sa full glass sa gilid eh. And yung una mong manonotice is parang mural siya na may nade-depict ng parang marble for me or cut out ng mountains. No? Nagbibigay talaga siya ng character dun sa bahay. Yan. So pag pinush mo to, yan, meron tayong powder room. Yan, for our guests. And of course, dito sa side na to, hindi mo pwedeng di siya mapansin kasi meron tayong elevator that serves the 3 floors ng bahay. So, beside it is the stairs, okay, na wooden yung steps niya. Ganda nung mix pa rin. And here is our living area. Okay. So, dito sa living area, mapapansin mo rin agad yung high ceiling niya where you can see also yung architectural design ng stairs. Ayan. So, let's check our kitchen. Ayan. Dark matte yung finish niya. Very clean yung lines. Meron tayong 2 parts. So, of course, yung island natin dito na we can have our breakfast. So, namamadali tayo. Dito na lang tayo kakain. Tapos, dito sa part na to, naman yung sa sink. No? Undermount yung sink niya. Both sides has a lot of storage. No? Cupboards dito. May mga drawers dito. Sa taas din. Pero the good thing is dito, kasama na yung mga appliances natin. Meron tayong oven under, induction cooker, and yung may handle dito, hindi kasi siya storage. Flat panel refrigerator siya na 4 doors. Ayan. So, diba? Hindi mo siya mahalata pero ang neat ng pagkakagawa niya. So just like any Filipino household, separated yung kitchen, meron din tayo ditong dirty kitchen. Yan. So meron din tayo ditong range hood, lutuan, tapos may sarili tayong sink, provision for another refrigerator, and pantry. Yan. So sobrang luwag pa, tapos may natural light din na pumapasok. From here naman, from our dirty kitchen, pagpasok mo, meron din tayong sariling maid's quarter. Okay na? Very spacious for them. Meron din sila sariling toilet and bath dito sa loob. Yan. So, let's go naman sa ating pool area. But before we go to the pool area, you can see itong sobrang wide na sliding glass door that allows natural ventilation inside. So, though we have aircon, we have an option na magkaroon ng natural air going inside. And beside it is our modern lap pool. Ayan. So, na-paired siya with a wooden deck and sa side niya, it's a vertical garden wall. So pag nagsiswimming ka dito, para kang nasa private resort mo. Kasi especially when naka-turn on na yung mga lights natin dito. Yan. So, tara tayo sa second floor, guys. So, we're on the stairs. Ang ganda, nag-prepare yung wooden step niya, handle, black railings with the background ng glass. No, with the background ng glass. And from here, kita mo rin yung elevator. Itong stairs natin, you can see it from the first floor up dun sa hanggang sa third floor. Ang ganda niya talaga, guys. So, we're here on the second floor. From here, makikita nyo, may space pa siya and bare pa yung wall niya. So we can put some designs, paintings, and fixtures. And we have the access here ng ating elevator. Okay? And dito sa floor na to, we have 3 rooms. Okay. So let's go to our first room wherein meron siyang glass wall wherein you can see yung living room area natin. Pagpasok mo, yan. Just like all the other rooms, meron tayong floor-to-ceiling na window, sariling aircon, and veranda. Okay. Tapos, from here, punta tayo dito, and meron tayong sariling walk-in closet, so a lot of storage for our clothes, and our own toilet and bath. Yan. So, punta tayo sa another room. So, punta tayo doon sa another room. So, yeah. Again, meron tayong floor-to-ceiling window, veranda, own aircon, and walk-in closet, and toilet and bath. Ito. Yeah. So, let's go sa third room. And just like the first two, we have our own veranda, floor-to-ceiling window, aircon, walk-in closet, and its own toilet and bath. Tapos, punta tayo para ma-experience naman natin lumabas dito sa veranda. So, this is the space. Yan. So, lahat ng room may ganito. So, pag gusto ng fresh air, pwedeng magstay here. Kasi, like, pwede mo pa, dahil sa luwag niya, pwede ka pa maglagay ng small table and chair. Yan. Going to the third floor, yan, mapansin niyo yung wooden steps natin and handle. Paired siya dun sa wooden accent sa taas, sa part. Very spacious dito. Again, can put paintings, fixtures. We have access dun sa elevator natin. And here are our rooms. So bago tayo pumunta sa master's bedroom, puntahan muna natin yung fourth room natin. So just like the other 3, meron tayo walk-in closet. May sarili siyang toilet and bath. Yan. And aircon, veranda, and this one is slightly bigger dun sa first 3 rooms natin. Yan. So we are here in our master's bedroom. As you can see, sobrang laki niya. With an obstructed view of the Sierra Madre mountain range. Ayan. So mapapansin nyo, hindi na siya matatakpan kasi gawa na yung bahay dito eh. So yung nakikita natin here, yan na siya talaga. Diba? So yung kita nyo, all the wall, no? Talagang lahat may window. And of course, meron tayo sariling aircon. The veranda here is talagang substantially larger than all the first 4 rooms. Yan. Ito. So, ang ganda niya. Tapos, of course, meron tayong walk-in closet. So, let's go in sa walk-in closet natin for our master's bedroom. Sobrang laki ng walk-in closet niya. So, a lot of cabinets, storage, and meron siya sariling aircon. Okay, meron din tayo ditong mirror, of course. So, pwede natin ilagay, of course, yung mga high-end na bags natin. Kasi aircon siya. And of course, pakita natin din yung laman ng cabinet. Meron din siya mga drawers. And of course, yung sa wardrobe, sa bitan ng damit. Yan. So, well finished, wala ka nang gagawin dito. Punta naman tayo dun sa kabila sa toilet and bath niya. So, we have our twin sink, vanity mirror, our bathtub, may glass door, glass divided na automatic toilet, and shower area na may shower head na rainfall. Ayan. So, pwede mag-relax dito. Talagang ginawa siya for couple, guys, di ba? Di kayo mag-aagawan sa sink. Di kayo mag-aaway. The property is located in Tivoli Royal. It's an executive residential village near schools, hospitals, universities, and malls. So, meron siyang sariling swimming pool, elevator, carport that can fit 3 cars, and 5 rooms, each with walk-in closet, toilet and bath, and dito ako dalito. No, sabi ko kanina veranda, pero balcony pala. No? So ano ba yung difference, guys? Pa-comment naman below. And lastly, it's on a 300 square meter lot area with 700 plus square meters of floor area. 3-story yung structure niya. The property is facing north with unobstructed mountain view. So this is Ryan Angeles of Triar Property Marketing. Be 3 steps ahead, invest in the next. Message us today. Thank you!
Thanks guys for watching! Are you interested in this home or want your listing featured? Message Triar Property Marketing today. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tours.